Aparna Warrior, and I am here with a brand new episode of Love Ke Funday. I hope you guys had an awesome week. And let's get to the question quickly क्योंकि इस हफ्ते का जो क्वेश्चन है काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग है लाइक ऑलवेज मुझे पता है कि मैं हमेशा यही बोलती हूँ कि इंटरेस्टिंग है but the thing about this week's question is it's about relationships during the lockdown which I'm sure कि आप सभी को कहीं ना कहीं आप उससे relate कर पाएंगे तो यू नो ये काफ़ी एक कॉमन प्रॉब्लम भी है मेरे ख्याल से तो आई थिंक वी शुड नॉट स्ट्रेच दिस टू फार एंड लेट्स सी व्हाट द क्वेश्चन फॉर द वीक इज. Like I said, this particular question for the week is a lockdown question, and we all know how difficult the past few months have been for all of us across the world. इस पैंडमिक ने तो काफ़ी कुछ बदल दिया है और कुछ केसेस में रिलेशनशिप्स भी बदल गए हैं सो दिस क्वेश्चन इज समथिंग कनेक्टेड टू दैट एंड यू नो आई थॉट वी शुड पिक इट अप दिस वीक. So let's see what the question is. I'm going to read it out aloud and then we will discuss it further, okay? So the question is this. My partner and I have been in a relationship since 5 years now, and we have been in a live-in relationship since the last 4 years. We have an amazing relationship and we were even thinking of getting married, but the lockdown happened and everything changed. We have been cooped up in the house for the past 6 months. Initially it was okay, but then we started resenting each other. We started fighting more than before, and now it's come to a point where we are not sure if we want to even stay together. I love him and I want this to work, and I'm hoping that once things get back to normal routine, things will get better. How can I make this relationship work? So, I totally get where you're coming from. It has been, जैसे कि मैंने कहा कि ये लॉकडाउन काफ़ी टैक्सिंग रहा है सबके लिए. इट्स नॉट जस्ट यू, ओके. तो पहली चीज़ तो आप ये ध्यान में रखें कि दिस इज़ नॉट जस्ट हैपनिंग विद यू, इट्स हैपनिंग विद अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल. मे बी इट्स नॉट हैपनिंग एग्जैक्टली लाइक हाउ यू पुट इट, बट काफ़ी लोगों के लिए लाइफ चेंज हो चुकी है इस पैंडमिक में. सो यू नो वी नो द चैलेंजेस दैट ईच वन हैज़ फेस्ड ड्यूरिंग दिस पैंडमिक, बट स्पेशली जब रिलेशनशिप्स की बात आती है वो कहते हैं ना, देर आर दो सेइंग्स इन इंग्लिश कि डिस्टेंस मेक्स योर हार्ट ग्रो फॉन्डर और एल्स familiarity breeds contempt. वो सारी चीज़ you know kahin na kahin it is true because sometimes we spend so much time together that we start resenting each other, and it's very natural क्योंकि जब लॉकडाउन के पहले हमारे अपने लाइव्स होते थे. वी वर नॉट ऑलवेज क्लंग टू ईच अदर, वी वर नॉट लाइक with each other all the time. We had our own things to do, so that kind of helps the relationship grow. And pandemic में ऐसा हो गया कि we were forced to stay together, we were forced to be in one place, and a lot of things were restricted. हम लोग काफ़ी कुछ चीज़ें नहीं कर पाए. We couldn't go out, we couldn't do this, we couldn't do that. So it's very natural for to feel the way that you guys are feeling, and probably what you can do is you can only make a few changes so that you can probably try to improve things. अगर कुछ हो जाए तो बहुत अच्छी बात है. तो what you need to do is primarily, अगर आप लोग दोनों की इंटरेस्ट लाइक आई अंडरस्टैंड कि एज अ कपल की आप दोनों की काफ़ी इंटरेस्ट एक जैसे होंगे और मे बी यू हैव डिफरेंट इंटरेस्ट ऑल्सो. तो अगर यू कैन ट्राई टू परस्यू things on your own. And अभी तो लॉकडाउन काफ़ी जगहों पे खुल भी गई है, तो you don't have to, you know, I mean, it's not as restrictive as it was before in March and April. So probably you can try to do things on your own rather than doing things together. If you have, say for example, a hobby that you're very keen on, and if your partner has another hobby, pursue those hobbies separately. Don't You don't have to do everything together. Okay, so मान लीजिए अगर आपके अलग सेट ऑफ फ्रेंड्स हैं और उनके अलग सेट ऑफ फ्रेंड्स हैं, तो शायद आप उनके साथ वीडियो कॉल कर सकते हो. इफ़ यू लाइक कुकिंग, इफ़ यू लाइक गार्डनिंग और थिंग्स लाइक दैट विच यू नो probably you can pursue on your own and let your partner pursue his interest on his own also. So that kind of gives you a little bit of break from each other, and you can also divert your mind and put it into other things that are constructive. तो वो एक मेरा suggestion होगा कि you can probably try to do that. Secondly, you can also probably try counseling. मैं बहुत मेरे जो फ्रेंड्स हैं मैं उनको यही सलाह देती हूँ हमेशा कि counseling kind of helps, like especially if you have a relationship expert who can guide you through these issues. There are probably deep rooted issues also, तो एक qualified relationship expert जो होते हैं वो इन चीज़ों में बहुत helpful होती है. तो you can probably try that out also, if you're open, or if you both are open to it. And secondly, if possible, spend time apart. Spending time apart is not bad at all. See how things are. Probably अगर आपके बीच में वो distance आ जाए, you can probably find a way back to each other, like at some point. So take some time apart. Maybe you can go stay at your friend's place, or maybe he can go stay at his friend's place, and then come back together and talk about it. एक fresh perspective मिल जाएगी आपको. Some of the things that you can try. Also keep in mind कि जितना ही आप time apart spend करते हो, take some time off in the day, या fix कीजिए आप कि मैं 1 घंटा I will come back and meet my partner and spend time together. So the key thing here is to maintain a healthy balance of time. It should not be कि आप हमेशा एक दूसरे के साथ हो, and it should also not be that आप एक दूसरे के साथ कोई भी time spend ना करें. That is not healthy either. So just try to maintain a healthy balance where you guys do things on your own. Being in the same house also, you can do things on your own. You can pursue your own hobbies, he can pursue his own hobbies, and sit for an hour or two together and do things together. So you can share things, you can talk about things that you've done during the day, and there will be a healthy balance in the process. And also remember to I know it's when you're in the house all the time, कभी कभी चीज़ें बहुत frustrating हो जाती है, क्योंकि जैसे मैंने कहा कि काफ़ी restrictions होते हैं. So you have to also remember that ये सारी जो flare ups होती है वो काफ़ी normal होता है. तो even if you do have a fight or whatever, remember that it's very natural, it's very human to feel that way, and just forgive. If you keep talking about the same thing over and over again, it will just make a mess of things. So the most important thing for you that you can try is this, that you try to pursue different hobbies and take time apart for a bit, come back together, reevaluate, talk, and see where you both are at. If you guys can work things out, if you get a fresh perspective about it, well, I'm very happy for you. But if you think that you guys cannot work it out, and if you have to part ways, I think that is okay also, because rather than being stuck with each other and being unhappy, it's better that you guys part ways and maybe there's somebody else better out there for you. Okay, तो जैसे भी ये जाए, please be positive and stay healthy and be safe. आप अगर अपने इंटरेस्ट परस्यू कर रहे हो, आप बाहर जा रहे हो या जो भी आप कर रहे हो, प्लीज़ डोंट फॉरगेट टू वेयर योर मास्क एंड सैनिटाइज एंड सोशली डिस्टेंस. वो प्रोटोकॉल्स प्लीज़ आप ध्यान में रखें. And yeah, I think I'll leave this here, and I truly hope that you guys, work this out. Please give me your feedback, guys, and I will see you all next week. I also would like to thank all of you for liking and sharing and subscribing. Please do continue to do that, and I will see you all next Sunday. Till then, take care.